So I want to install CapCut in my iPad. However, it's not available in India. Let's check out how to install apps which is not available in your country. For this method you can use two ways. One is create an Apple ID for this. Second is without creating Apple ID. So I am picking the second choice. First of all, you need to open App Store. Tap on your account. Now tap on your Apple ID. Click on country and region. Tap on change country or region. Now select a country. I'm going to select United Arab Emirates. Now click on agree. Now you need to click on none and you just type anything right here. Now just click on next. Now click on done. Now we can see the CapCut is available. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Peace out.